Hi, my name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can look our website at allthingsdrain.com. Today we're in Wallingford, Connecticut, because the customer needs to have his line completely de-rooted. We're going to go in from this point right here, all the way out to the street, show you a video camera of what it looks like before we jet, and then after. Stay tuned. Welcome back. We're going to go ahead and pull the camera back now and show you what the line looks like before we jet it, and then we're going to make another one afterwards. Take a look. See the little roots and such and the build-up. Some roots in that joint right there. A lot of roots right there. There's a lot of roots right here. That's the main concern. Okay. Stay tuned. We're going to show you what it looks like as soon as we're done jetting it. Okay. We've high pressure water jetted and de-rooted this line entirely. Came out fantastic. We're going to pull it back now. Take a look, see what we got. You can see all grease buildup and roots were removed. This 4-inch cast iron line is going to be removed, and they're going to put a new piece of PVC in there. Thank you for checking out our video. You can look us up on our website at allthingsdrain.com.